If you have a flu, sore throat, coughing, and trouble at breathing, this video is for you. Let's prepare 3 different natural mixtures together that have been proven to have ongoing benefits since years. Our first mixture is consumed as liquid. Fill a teacup with warm water halfway up. Add 2 teaspoons of honey to it. Honey is used for treatment of many diseases, in addition to having antibacterial properties. It is a source of miracle healing. Honey is always seen as a healthy product and a healthy food. Cut a half a lemon and pour its juice into a glass. Lemon is a powerful antioxidant. Thanks to vitamin C contained in it, it supports the immune system. It helps to lower blood pressure. It also increases iron absorption. Add a teaspoon or so of a black pepper to it. If you are going to give it to children over 3 years old, half a teaspoon like here is enough. Black pepper is an expectorant remover and allows the cough to cease. It ensures that your digestive system works well. It helps to remove toxins from the body. It also increases energy burning. Although honey ginger paste has been known and used in many countries of the world since old times, it has only started to become widespread in countries in recent years. Add a teaspoon of ginger powder to a teaspoon of honey and mix it until it reaches paste consistency. You need to consume this mixture immediately without waiting. First, you can drink half a teacup of warm water and then swallow the paste more comfortably. 2 teaspoons in the morning and evening will be enough. Make sure to do a research before consuming these products that I mentioned, because you need to find out if you're allergic to these products or not. I have to say again that these mixtures are for supplement purposes. It is not doctor's prescription. Do not consume it without consulting your doctor. Do you want a more effective mixture? Fill 3/4 of glass with warm water and then add a teaspoon of honey, add a teaspoon of ginger powder, add a teaspoon of turmeric, and then add a teaspoon of black pepper. Cut half a lemon and squeeze the juice. Flu, sore throat, and cough relief. This mixture is good for diseases. Relieving cough and throat pain with the feature allows people who are sick to be treated more quickly. Tonsils softens and make breathing easier. It gives us the energy, allows the toxin to be expelled through the sweat. You should consume half a cup in the morning, during the day, or at the evening. This advice is intended to reinforce your immune system. There is no doctor advice involved in this. Do not consume without checking whether you are allergic to the products that are used. If you have problems that doesn't cease in longer periods, make sure to visit a doctor.